Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
BTST means in a normal equity delivery trade, buy, sell of stocks using CNC order, the transaction is complete in T+2 days where T is the day of trading. The buyer gets shares in his Daymot account and the seller gets money in T+2 days.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To convert MIS to CNC, NRML and vice versa, open the Positions tab in Kite. Click on the Options button and click on Convert. Note, you will not be allowed to convert BO, CO to NRML, CNC or MIS and vice versa. Also, you can only convert sell MIS to CNC if you have holdings in your account.
Take our lead.
CNC stand for cash and carry. CNC is non-leveraged product. When you buy stock and hold it overnight, it is called a buy-delivery trade. At Pro Stocks you need to use product type as CNC while placing an order to take delivery or give delivery of equity stock.
Take our lead.
Q. Can I buy stock in NSE and sell the same in BSE or vice versa? A. You need to take delivery of the stock bought on NSE and then sell the same in BSE and vice versa. That is, you cannot buy in NSE and square off the same in BSE.
Let's help you make your mark.
LMT, this is used for placing a limit order. MKT, this is used for placing a market order. Stop loss, SL, this is used to place a stop loss at the limit price. MIS in Zerodha, MIS stands for margin intraday square off. CNC, it stands for cash and carry.
Let's help you make your mark.
When you place a sell order in CNC, the RMS risk management system will first check your Daymot to see if the shares you are trying to sell are available in your Daymot. You can short sell and close the positions for intraday in CNC only if you hold the Dame shares in your Daymot.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.